here's the teapot that you guys are going to make. I've made it all by literally just pinching with my hands. And don't worry about that. I'm sure there may some of you that never had a chance to pinch yet. They probably pushed you directly to go work on the wheel. Either that's the one thing. The other option is that you tried to make a pinch pot and you didn't feel that you were successful. Well, here's a pinch pot right in front of me. I've made this one, and not only did I make it, my walls are fairly even, which is very important when you create a teapot, especially if you are planning on making some tea in it. The walls are very even, it's neat on the inside. I will be able to glaze it. I will be able to pour some tea out of it. At this stage it's still just bone dry. And I even have a foot run underneath it, which was not thrown on the wheel.